On the count of three, name your favorite dinosaur. Don't even think about it. Just name it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Velociraptor.
The trained specialist in this control room will be your eye and tone, helping to keep you safe on this ultimate velociraptor. Today, we are joined by Owen, animal behavior expert. Owen, are you with us?
Yeah, copy. Hold on a second. I can work this thing.
Where's the queen?
I've been on it once.
Hello? Guys, watch it.
Mr. Green, can you talk a little bit about the great strides you've made in raptor training?
Similar physical conditions are an expected matter, prone to motion sickness or dizziness, have a fear of heights, medical sensitivity to stroke effects, medical sensitivity to fog effects, are recovering from recent surgery, any other condition or